The Phottix capsule gives you 5 configurations in one softbox: soft reflector, beauty dish, softbox, lantern, and umbrella. The price is modest, but the features aren't. We included a grid, translucent inner baffle separate from the beauty dish baffle, and the easiest gel holder you have ever used. It connects magnetically, and you can easily place any of 4 included gels or cut your own. We wanted to create a light shaper system that solves many problems. Used with no front diffusion, it acts as a traditional reflector, and the grid narrows its focus like we see here. And you get the benefits of a smaller light source, with contained spill and the soft bounce from the reflector's white interior. When converted to a beauty dish, you take away any direct light from the bulb, which is reflected back into the white using this opaque silver center. When used as a softbox, it has both an inner and outer diffuser, and the interior enables increased diffusion. Each capsule softbox comes with an umbrella, so with one light shaper, you have the benefit of always having 2 lights on set. Like here, we used it as a fill light. And the ability to easily Velcro the umbrella to the front face makes it a perfect lantern. Great for 2-person interviews or as a fill light for your portraits. The capsule Deep Octus come in 2 sizes, 16 and 33 inches. The deeps are great when you want a more focused light source without a lot of spill on the edges, and their 16 sides make them a near-perfect circle. And they work great as standard reflectors as well. The standard Octas come in a 26-inch, 33-inch, and 41-inch sizes. They are great for portraiture, and their shallower profile also makes them ideal for use as a lantern. The rectangular capsules come in 3 sizes, 24 by 35, 12 by 22, and 12 by 55. The standard rectangle is great for small product photography and portraiture, and the strips make excellent edge lights. And the included gel holder makes adding a splash of color effortless. With the capsule's flexibility, they are ideal to give you control over your light, whether behind or in front of the camera. Their easy setup and robust build quality makes them a valuable resource for anyone's kit. Create stunning light for anything from portraits to products to podcast. Simply put, a content creator's dream.